Hey everyone, Amanda here today, and I wanted to try something a little different and do a website review. I know a lot of you own a bakery or a home baking business and you're relying solely on social media to get customers. I've talked about this before, but having a website, I believe, is mandatory for your business. So I wanted to take a look at Jenna Rae Cake's website because I am a huge fan of their bakery and their branding and think we can learn a lot from them. So let's head on over to jennaraecakes.com. Immediately when you get on their site, they have a pop-up to get your email address. I love this because it grabs your attention and makes you want to sign up to receive discounts or hear about their latest flavors. Having an email list is crucial for your business because not everyone goes on Facebook or Instagram, but if you are landing in someone's inbox, they are more likely to see your latest news or offerings. You also have to remember that you don't own your social media followers. So if Facebook or Instagram crashes, how will you reach your customers? You'll also notice that on the very bottom of their page, there is another section to grab people's emails. As you go down their homepage, you'll notice that everything is very clean, easy to read, but also shows a lot of Jenna Rae Cake's personality. Their branding is very on point too because the fonts, colors, and pictures match what they also show on their social media channels. Their top navigation is also very simple and straight to the point. There aren't countless options, which is great because you don't want to overwhelm whoever is on your website. You want it to be as easy as possible for people to see your products and purchase from you. I really love this section here where they show what's on the menu today. It's updated every day, and I like that it encourages people to visit your site frequently, which helps boost your website traffic. I also think it's great that there are pictures of the owners because people always love seeing who is behind the company, and it makes you more relatable. This picture is great because they are looking directly at the camera, and I always think having a picture where you're looking straight on is better than looking down or to the side. They have a gallery section as well, which is helpful because customers always want to see what you can create and what different options or styles you offer. I also highly recommend including an FAQs section of some sort. It saves both you and your customer time because they can read up on your wedding cake process, for instance, or any other questions they may have. So that was my website review on Jenna Rae Cakes. I hope that this video has been helpful to you and can give you some inspiration for your own website. If you liked this video, leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite feature was on this website.